Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video we go through part 1 of a 10-part series, 20 Secrets of Success. Make sure to watch every step if you want to be successful. Also make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any series. Okay, let's get straight to it. Number 1. Sleep less. Yes, that's right, this is one of the best investments you can make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to maintain an excellent state of health. Try getting up 1 hour earlier for 21 days and it will develop into a powerful habit. Remember, it is the quality not the quantity of sleep that is important. And just imagine having an extra 30 hours a month to spend on the things that are important to you. Number 2, set aside 1 hour every morning for personal development matters. Meditate, visualize your day, read inspirational texts to set the tone of your day, listen to motivational tapes or read great literature. Take this quiet period to vitalize and energize your spirit for the productive day ahead. Watch the sun rise once a week or be with nature. Starting the day off well is a powerful strategy for self-renewal and personal effectiveness. Number 3, do not allow those things that matter the most in your life be at the mercy of activities that matter the least. Every day, take the time to ask yourself the question, is this the best use of my time and energy? Time management is life management, so guard your time with great care. Number 4, use the rubber band method to condition your mind to focus solely on the most positive elements in your life. Place a rubber band around your wrist. Each time a negative, energy-sapping thought enters your mind, snap the rubber band. Through the power of conditioning, your mind will associate pain with negative thinking, and you will soon possess a strongly positive mindset. Number 5, always answer the phone with enthusiasm in your voice and show your appreciation for the caller. Good phone manners are essential. To convey authority on the line, stand up. This will instill further confidence in your voice. Number 6, throughout the day we all get inspiration and excellent ideas. Keep a set of cards, the size of business cards available in your wallet along with a pencil to jot down these insights. When you get home, put the ideas in a central place such as a coil notepad and review them from time to time. As noted by Oliver Wendell Holmes, a man's mind, once stretched by a new idea, never regains its original dimensions. Number 7, set aside every Sunday evening for yourself and be strongly disciplined with this habit. Use this period to plan your week, visualize your encounters and what you want to achieve, to read new materials and inspirational books, to listen to soft soothing music, and to simply relax. This habit will serve as your anchor to keep you focused, motivated and effective throughout the coming week. Number 8, always remember the key principle that the quality of your life is the quality of your communication. This means the way you communicate with others and, more importantly, the way you communicate with yourself. What you focus on is what you get. If you look for the positive, this is what you get. This is a fundamental law of nature. Number 9, stay on purpose, not on outcome. In other words, do the task because it is what you love to do or because it will help someone or is a valuable exercise. Don't do it for the money or the recognition. Those will come naturally. This is the way of the world. Number 10, I like this one, laugh for 5 minutes in the mirror each morning. Steve Martin does. Laughter activates many beneficial chemicals within the body that place us into a very joyous state. Laughter also returns the body to a state of balance. Laughter therapy has been regularly used to heal persons with varied ailments and is a wonderful tonic for life's ills. While the average 4-year-old laughs 500 times a day, the average adult is lucky to laugh 15 times a day. Revitalize the habit of laughter, it will put far more living into your life. I hope you guys are getting mass value with this, comment below if you are. Okay, number 11, light a candle beside you when you are reading in the evening. It is most relaxing and creates a wonderful, soothing atmosphere. Make your home an oasis from the frenzied world outside. Fill it with great music, great books and great friends. Number 12, to enhance your concentration and powers of focus, count your steps when you walk. This is a particularly strong technique. Take 6 steps while taking a long inhale, hold your breath for another 6 steps, and then exhale for 6 steps. If 6 steps is too long for the breaths, do whatever you feel comfortable with. You will feel very alert, refreshed, internally quiet and centered after this exercise. So many people allow their minds to be filled with mental chatter. All peak performers appreciate the power of a quiet, clear mind, which will concentrate steadily on all important tasks. Number 13, learn to meditate effectively. The mind is naturally a very noisy machine which wants to move from one subject to another like an unchained monkey. One must learn to restrain and discipline it if one is to achieve anything of substance and to be peaceful. Meditation for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening will certainly provide you with exceptional results if regularly practiced for 6 months. Learned sages of the East have been advancing the many benefits of meditation for over 5,000 years. I have left some links in the description below to some soothing meditation music to help relax the mind, realign your aura and balance your chakras. Number 14, learn to be still. The average person doesn't spend even 30 minutes a month in total silence and tranquility. Develop the skill of sitting quietly, enjoying the powerful silence for at least 10 minutes a day. Simply think about what is important to you in your life. Reflect on your mission. Silence indeed is golden. As the Zen master once said, it is the space between the bars that holds the cage. Number 15, enhance your willpower. It is likely one of the best training programs you can invest in. Here are some ideas to strengthen your will and become a stronger person. A. Do not let your mind float like a piece of paper in the wind. Work hard to keep it focused at all times. When doing a task, think of nothing else. When walking to work, count the steps that it takes to get all the way to the office. This is not easy, but your mind will soon understand that you hold its reins and not vice versa. Your mind must eventually become as still as a candle flame in a corner where there is no draft. B. Your will is like a muscle. You must first exercise it and then push before it gets stronger. This necessarily involves short-term pain, but be assured that the improvements will come and will touch your character in a most positive way. When you are hungry, wait another hour before your meal. When you are laboring over a difficult task and your mind is prompting you to pick up the latest magazine for a break or to get up and go talk to a friend, curb the impulse. Soon you will be able to sit for hours in a precisely concentrated state. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the greatest classical physicists the world has produced, once said, "If I have done the public any service, it is due to patient thought." Newton had a remarkable ability to sit quietly and think without interruption for very long periods of time. If he can develop this, so can you. C. You can also build your willpower by restraint in your conduct with others. Speak less, use the 60-40 rule, listen 60% of the time, and speak a mere 40%, if that. This will not only make you more popular, but you will learn much wisdom, as everyone we meet every day has something to teach us. Also restrain the urge to gossip or to condemn someone who you feel has made a mistake. Stop complaining and develop a cheerful, vital and strong personality. You will greatly influence others. And D. When a negative thought comes to your mind, immediately replace it with one that is positive. Positive always dominates over the negative, and your mind has to be conditioned to think only the best thoughts. Negative thinking is a conditioned process whereby the negative patterns are established over and over. Rid yourself of any limitations and become a powerful positive thinker. Number 16, make an effort to be humorous throughout the day. Not only is it beneficial from a physical viewpoint, but it diffuses tension in difficult circumstances and creates an excellent atmosphere wherever you are. Number 17, become a highly disciplined time manager. There are roughly 168 hours in a week. This surely allows plenty of time for achievement of the many goals we desire to accomplish. Be ruthless with your time. Set aside a few minutes each morning to plan your day. Plan around your priorities and focus on not only those tasks which are immediate but not important, for example, many telephone calls, but especially on those which are important but not urgent, for these allow for the greatest personal and professional development. Important but not immediate activities are those which produce long-term, sustainable benefits and include exercise, strategic planning, the development of relationships and professional education. Never let the things which matter most be placed in the backseat as compared to those that matter least. Number 18, associate only with positive, focused people who you can learn from and who will not drain your valuable energy with complaining and uninspiring attitudes. By developing relationships with those committed to constant improvement and the pursuit of the best that life has to offer, you will have plenty of company on your path to the top of whatever mountain you seek to climb. Number 19, Stephen Hawking, one of the great modern physicists of the world, is reported to have said that we are on a minor planet of a very average star, located within the outer limits of one of 100,000 million galaxies. Are your problems really significant in light of this? You walk this earth for but a short time. Why not become devoted to having only a wonderful experience? Why not dedicate yourself to leaving a powerful legacy to the world? Sit down now and write out a list of all that you have in your life. Start first with your health or your family, the things we often take for granted. Put down the country we live in and the food we eat. Do not stop until you have written down 50 items. Once every few days, go through this list. You will be uplifted and recognize the richness of your existence. And that brings us to number 20, you must have a mission statement in life. This is simply a set of guiding principles which clearly state where you are going and where you want to be at the end of your life. A mission statement embodies your values. It is your personal lighthouse keeping you steadily on the course of your dreams. Over a period of 1 month, set a few hours aside to write down 5 or 10 principles which will govern your life and which will keep you focused at all times. Examples might be to consistently serve others, to be a considerate citizen, to become highly wealthy, or to serve as a powerful leader. Whatever the mission statement of your life, refine it and review it regularly. Then when something adverse happens or someone tries to pull you off course, you quickly and precisely return to your chosen path with the full knowledge that you are moving in the direction that you have selected. And that's it for part 1, guys. Make sure you don't miss part 2. Thank you for making it this far. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so I know you are ready to change your life. Blessings to you in everything you endeavor. Please leave a comment if you are getting value from these videos, and if there is something specific you're looking for, let me know, and I'll create something special just for you.